bring the camera this side now because where you are sitting, I'll put the camera this way so that your aunties they will see your hair. And I'll push you go this way. Oh, yeah. So this one come this way, huh? Yeah, so your aunties they will see it very well. They will see it very clear. Your hair, that's not clear. Yeah, it's after 1 month. Your candy is finished. Huh? It's finished or what? Candy is stinking. It's stinking. How? Because you make saliva on it, that's why you feel like it's stinking. Candy is not sinking. You make it sinking. I should take. It's too, it's thinking. I don't want. Put it on here. No, princess. Put it here. I don't want it. It's not fun. Put it there, it stinks. You put saliva on it. You spoil my mood. You spoil my mood. Yeah, mood. Do you know mood? No. You don't? Mouth. Yes. So when I put inside? In mouth. Yes, I feel bad. Princess, yesterday the party, what did you do? I did. You danced? Princess, you catch me? Princess, catch mama. Mama said, no, princess, no. Papa! Let me see, Uncle Off. Papa! Come! My mama is letting me eat. That is doing work. Oh my God. Oh no. It put my face inside. Oh no. No, put my face, my too. Princess, you don't need to do that to Mama. And it's nothing funny. Dominic. I like. Let's see.